Good luck, Bob. Sharks for Life 12. Gonna go box number 4. See, that's what happens when you don't know hockey. Good luck, Bob. 2016 Leaf Pop Century. I know. Alright, another straight up picture. Here we go. Oh, no, what's this say? Melissa McCarthy. Oh man, what does it say on her hat? Topper Jacks. That's funny. It's a great picture. Thank you, Bob.